Everyone, it's great to have you join this channel once again. I am Mr. Emmanuel aka Ikechukwu, and yes, on this channel, remember, we talk about everything academic, everything student life. We talk about everything that will help you prosper as a young person in school. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking something that you really want to know, especially if you are writing JAM. So if you're writing JAM and you think you want to apply to University of Port Harcourt, then this video is for you. You see, in this video, I'm going to be giving you the various courses that Uniport offers and the cutoff marks for each of those courses. Are you excited? Alright. Now, one thing I want you to know is that the University of Port Harcourt does not have a specific cutoff mark departmentally. What do I mean? Now, you see, when you write your JAM exam, you have your score. If your score is from 150 and above, you stand a chance, or once it's above 150, you can write the school's post-UTME exams. But if it is below 150, you don't stand a chance. Now, if you score 150, let's assume you scored above 150. Whether you score 150 on the dot or above 150, you can write the post-UTME exams. But your chances of admission is now dependent on the department you're going for. Let's assume you scored 200. You pass the cutoff mark, you pass the 150 JAM cutoff, right? That means you can sit for the post-UTME. But can 200, you write the post-UTME and then you score say 220. Can 220 take you into medicine? Maybe medicine and surgery? No. But there are some other courses that 220 can give you admission or secure your admission. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you each of the courses and the range of scores that you need to attain. One more thing, Uniport does not have a specific cutoff mark. There is no specific departmental cutoff mark for the University of Port Harcourt. So that means what I'm going to be sharing with you now is from statistics of previous years. We've compiled previous years, seen the scores that were accepted into various departments, and so we are giving you a range of scores, meaning that we can tell you that for medicine you should expect maybe 290 to 320. That means if you score after you post 90 and above, you stand a chance of gaining admission. I hope you get that. Now, without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So first of all, in the Faculty of Science, I'll be talking about mathematics. Now, if you want to study mathematics in the University of Port Harcourt, here are the 4 JAM subject combinations that you must. If you don't have these subject combinations, forget it. You cannot get into mathematics. The first subject is you have to write English in your JAM, you have to write physics, you have to write chemistry or economics, and of course, you have to write mathematics. Now, if you score above 150, then after writing your Uniport post-UTME, make sure you score between 180 and 200. If you score between 180 or to 200, then you stand a chance of gaining admission. Is that clear? Now let's look at the next faculty, statistics. Now, if you're going for statistics in the University of Port Harcourt, if you're going for statistics, you need to have the following subjects in your JAM. You need English, mathematics, physics, and chemistry or economics, and you also need a post-UTME score of 150 to 200. If you're going for physics, then you need to write English, physics, mathematics, chemistry in your JAM, and you need a score of 180 to 200 in your post-UTME to make sure that you secure that admission. Now, if you found value so far, or you think you like this video, please do something for me. Give it a thumbs up and share the link with your friend or anyone you know that is applying to the University of Port Harcourt. Alright, let's continue. Course number 4, chemistry. Now, if you are going to be studying or you want to study chemistry in the University of Port Harcourt, then you need to write the following JAM subjects: English, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. And for your post-UTME, the cutoff mark is between 190 to 210. So if you score anywhere from 190 to 210 or above, you stand a chance to be admitted into the University of Port Harcourt into Department of Chemistry. Are we clear? Okay, so the next course we're looking at now is biochemistry. If you're going for biochemistry, here are the four subject combinations that you need. You need English, you need biology, you need chemistry, and you need physics or mathematics. I would prefer that you go for physics, my dear. So you have English, physics, chemistry, and biology for biochemistry, and you must score between 200 and 220 if you must gain admission. And remember, this other score is your post-UTME score. Let me reiterate it. If you score in JAM 150 and above, Uniport will tell you, you are qualified to write my screening, which is your post-UTME. Now, in that screening exam, your score will now determine whether you gain admission or not. So any score I'm calling, just know that it is for the screening, which is your post-UTME score. Okay? Alright. The next course is microbiology. Now, microbiology, obviously, you know that it is health related. So that means you're going to be writing chemistry, biology, physics, and English language. Now, you need to score between 200 and 220 for you to gain admission into the University of Port Harcourt. You need to score between 200 to 220 to gain admission into the University of Port Harcourt for microbiology. Now, course number 7, this course really interests me. It's one of the courses I love. It is computer science. Now, for all of you that want to do tech, the tech bros, future tech bros, right? This one is for you. Now, you need to listen carefully. You need to write English, mathematics, physics, and chemistry or economics. Physics, mathematics, chemistry or economics, and English language. And you need to score 200 to 220, between 200 and 220 for you to be admitted into the University of Port Harcourt. Okay? Now, for those of you who are going for geology, you need English, chemistry, physics, and mathematics or geography. For geology, I repeat, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, or geography. And you need a score of between 190 to 210 to secure your admission into the University of Port Harcourt. If you found value so far, please let me see your thumbs up there. If you have questions, please put it in the comment section and I'm going to be answering them as they come. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you don't want me and you to have issues. All right.